Welcome back to the channel. We often think of exercise as just a way to burn calories, but the truth is, moving your body does much more than that. It actually rewires your DNA and changes the structure of your brain. From the Japanese art of forest bathing to the reason why swimmers have such massive lung capacity, the science behind our favorite hobbies is mind-blowing. Today, we are exploring 5 common activities: meditation, swimming, cycling, stretching, and hiking, and revealing the hidden biological superpowers they unlock in your body. Let's get started. Number 1. Meditation. Many people think meditation is just sitting still, but neuroscientists call it bicep curls for the brain. When you meditate regularly, you physically change the shape of your brain. MRI scans have shown that long-term meditators have a thicker prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making and focus. Even more incredible is what happens to the amygdala, the brain's fear center. After just 8 weeks of mindfulness practice, this part of the brain actually shrinks in size, meaning you become biologically less prone to stress and anxiety. Furthermore, meditation has been linked to the preservation of telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA strands. Longer telomeres are associated with a longer lifespan, suggesting that quieting your mind might actually slow down the aging process. Number 2. Swimming. Swimming is unique because it is the only workout where you are suspended in a medium that is nearly 800 times denser than air. This water density creates a resistance field around your entire body, meaning every movement you make is a resistance exercise, yet it has almost zero impact on your joints. This makes it the perfect activity for longevity. But the secret weapon of swimmers is their lung efficiency. Because water pressure compresses the chest cavity, swimmers have to work harder to breathe in. Over time, this strengthens the intercostal muscles and increases tidal volume, the amount of air your lungs can hold. This is why elite swimmers often have superior oxygen processing capabilities compared to runners, allowing them to perform at high intensities without getting winded. Number 3. Cycling. Cycling is one of the most efficient modes of transport, but it is also a miracle drug for your heart. A massive study conducted by the University of Glasgow found that people who cycle to work have a 45% lower risk of developing cancer and a 46% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who drive or take public transport. That is nearly a 50% reduction in major illnesses just by pedaling. Additionally, cycling is a non-load-bearing exercise. Unlike running, where your legs absorb the shock of your body weight with every step, the bike supports you. This allows you to elevate your heart rate for long periods without damaging your cartilage, which is why many cyclists can continue riding well into their 80s and 90s with healthy knees. Number 4. Stretching. We often skip stretching, thinking it is just a warm-up, but it is actually a critical maintenance process for your circulatory system. When you stretch, you aren't just lengthening muscles. You are also stretching your arteries and blood vessels. Research has shown that regular stretching can reduce arterial stiffness, which helps lower blood pressure and improves blood flow to the extremities. There is also a fascinating biological phenomenon called pandiculation, that involuntary stretch and yawn you do when you first wake up. This is your nervous system's way of resetting your muscles after inactivity, waking up the sensory motor cortex. By stretching intentionally during the day, you are manually sending signals to your brain that it is safe to relax, which instantly lowers cortisol levels. Number 5. Hiking. Hiking is more than just walking. It is a complex interaction with nature that scientists call neuroconservation. Navigating uneven terrain, stepping over roots, dodging rocks, and climbing hills requires your brain to make thousands of micro-calculations for balance. This burns roughly 28% more calories than walking on a flat surface. But the real magic comes from the environment. In Japan, this is known as Shinrin-yoku or forest bathing. Trees release organic compounds called phytoncides to protect themselves from insects. When humans breathe these in, our bodies respond by increasing the number of natural killer NK cells, a type of white blood cell that hunts down and destroys tumor and virus-infected cells. So, a walk in the woods literally boosts your immune system's ability to fight disease. And there you have it. 5 activities that prove health is about more than just the gym. Whether you are shrinking your fear center with meditation or boosting your immune system by hiking among the trees, Your body is constantly adapting to how you use it. It is amazing to think that something as simple as a bike ride can cut your risk of heart disease in half. Which of these activities is your favorite? I think I need to go for a swim after learning about that lung capacity fact. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of you. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.